These beautiful prairie glamping resorts, located in Zonta Township, Sichuan Province, China. These grasslands are vast and beautiful. It's a beautiful grassland ecological resort. There are a total of 11 grassland panoramic tents in the shape of a tent. It looks particularly eye-catching on the grassland. The grasslands and pastures are gradually dyed with green. A branch is full of vitality. There are charming grassland scenery and heavy folk culture. Wandering on the boundless grassland. Very happy mood. You can sit in the Tibetan food buffet tent, enjoying local Tibetan specialties. This is the beautiful prairie life. Build a luxury glamping tent, enjoying the tranquility of nature.